Enjoy thorough and efficient cleaning with this Samsung washing machine and its unique technologies. ecobubble mixes air, water and detergent together to produce bubbles. These bubbles quickly penetrate your clothes when washing at cooler temperatures. This not only helps the environment, but it also helps to reduce energy bills while providing great results. Bubble soak can be added to the end of any wash program, whether it's cotton, synthetics or baby clothes. This 30-minute addition lets the ecobubbles penetrate deep into the fabrics, loosening tough stains. Great for intensive stain removal. The digital inverter motor is designed to vibrate less, ensure less noise and less wear and tear for the appliance. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, so you can enjoy a quiet, long-lasting performance. This Samsung washing machine effortlessly neutralises stains and operates quietly and economically, making it perfect for any family household.